To make our Marble Swirl Wax Melts, you'll need the following: 220.8 grams of Golden Wax 494 Soy Blend Wax Melt Wax, 19.2 grams of Craftovator's Citrus Zest Fragrance Oil, 10 milliliters of Craftovator's Sky Blue Liquid Dye, and 10 milliliters of Craftovator's Bright Yellow Liquid Dye. You'll also need a set of digital weighing scales, a double boiler, 2 stainless steel pouring jugs, a metal spoon, a milk or digital thermometer, 3 Craftovator square wax melt clamshells, and a set of nitrile gloves. Start by weighing out 220.8 grams of Golden Wax 494 Wax Melt Wax. With your bottom pan half filled with water, set your melting pot on top and set the heat to medium-low. Check the temperature periodically, and once your wax reaches 80 to 85 degrees, remove it from the heat. Transfer the molten wax to one of the pouring jugs. Once the temperature of the wax reaches between 75 to 78 degrees, add 19.2 grams of Craftovator's Citrus Zest Fragrance Oil. Stir continuously for around 90 seconds to ensure the fragrance oil is thoroughly mixed into the wax. Next, transfer around half your molten wax to your second jug. Shake the liquid dye for around 30 seconds and then add 3 drops of bright yellow liquid dye to one jug and 2 drops of sky blue liquid dye to the other, and stir until the dye is mixed thoroughly. Your wax should now be around 63 to 65 degrees Celsius. Holding a jug in each hand, slowly pour the wax into each clamshell until they're just below fill level. You can pour as much or as little of one color into the clamshell as you like. Allow the wax to set fully around 2 to 3 hours before closing the clamshells. You'll also want to let your wax melts cure for around 7 to 14 days. The longer you can leave them to cure, the stronger your wax melts will be. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial from Craftovator. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.